Sorry, folks. This car is capable of miracles, but it can't drive over 20 miles of parked cars. I think we're walking.
Don't sweat it, Ellis. At least you got us out of that mall.
Yeah, Ellis. That was some good driving. We ready to get it on?
Hey, there's a sign for the amusement park.
Hey,
Hey, guys, can I
where's
have a second?
Spino's?
Hello?
Shit, I used to go there when I was a
I
kid.
just,
Oh, good. There as adults.
Take as long as you need.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Heads up!
Reloading.
Look out!
Got a spitter!
I'm reloading.
Reloading!
Down the aisle.
Reloading. Reloading.
Got a puppy!
Chainsaw here.
Charger!
Reloading. Charger. Got a chainsaw. We should head towards those searchlights. If there's a refugee camp here, we'll be with cowards. Weapons over here!
Reloading!
Watch out!
Charger! God damn it! Reloading here!
Watch out!
Reloading! Don't forget to search the rooms.
Watch out!
Reloading!
Gotta reload!
Come on, I'll help you. Reloading! this window. Down here. Looking up the beach.
Reloading.
Hunter!
Watch it, guys. This hill looks pretty steep.
Jockey!
No shell, girl.
We have guns here!
You ain't the only one who thought to push it.
Reload!
Whoa! That was almost fun.
Whoa! Whoa, shit!
Molotov!
You gotta cross the valley.
Reloading.
Reloading.
I'm a reload! Boomer!
Ellis, nice shot.
We can get up here. Reloading. Reloading.
Reloading here! Reloading!
Hey, we can get in through here.
Gotta reload.
Reloading!
Someone want to close Whispering Oaks? We made it.
Hey, check it out, man. That's some Midnight Riders.
Hey, the Midnight Riders.
Never heard of them. They any good?
Yeah, they're a pretty big deal, all right.
Hell yeah. I got all their albums. Even their new stuff that ain't no good. Best light show in the business, though.
Tracking the horse.
Lights on. When nobody's home.
Fire coming!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Boomer!
Jockey! Right.
Reloading!
All these signs are making me hungry.
Guitar here.
Reloading.
I'm reloading. Careful, there's a caveat. Oh, yeah. Grabbing a pipe bomb.
This stuff burns, man!
Pyramid passing judgment on all the lesser fools.
Bitch.
Reloading. Reloading.
Grenade launcher.
That there sounds like a witch.
Lights off.
I don't like that peanut.
How can you not like little Peanut? I love this little guy.
All right, weapons!
I hear a spitter.
Heads up, go!
Reloading.
Let's move!
Look out!
Reloading.
I found a burger tank in this place. I'm gonna be a one-man cheeseburger apocalypse.
Well, Coach, I aim to let you.
Gates open.
Never once thought a merry-go-round would turn on me. What is the world coming to when you dread a merry-go-round?
Look out!
Spitter!
Leadership!
Whew. It's on. Guitar here.
Hey, get your ass up now! Come on!
Look out!
Look out!
Son of a bee sting! This hurts!
Hey, there's a safe room in the Tunnel of Love.
Tunnel of Love, Jesus
Get in the
Christ.
tunnel of love!
Reloading.
Cover me. I'm going to patch myself up.
Y'all gonna close the door?
What, we're shutting the door already?
You got your wish, Ellis. We're in an amusement park ride.
This ain't that kind of ride, Nick. This is where you make out.
Reloading.
Look at Nick's jacket.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Hunter! Reloading.
Hunter!
Hunter!
Got a hunter!
Coming! Spitter. Man,
Reloading.
This water
Reload.
don't look natural.
Into the Swan Maintenance Room of Love.
hey! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Hey, look out!
Sounds like a little jockey.
Oh, shit! That thing's biting him! Hunter! All right, weapons!
This is for you.
Thanks. Oh, yeah. Reloading.
Do that again, I'm not getting you.
I bet Nick remembers the Tunnel of Love being this long. We have guns here! A helicopter! Over this fence. I'm starting it! Go. What's the deal? Calm down, damn right. Heads up! Ah! Ammo here.
Hey, watch out!
We gotta turn that alarm off.
Heads up! Watch out!
Can't somebody build a nice sounding alarm? Heads up, go! Alarm's off! Jockey! Reloading!
Hey, watch out!
Reloading here!
Reloading!
Grabbing first aid. I see a safe house this way.
Hey, get in here.
Reloading!
Oh, hell yes!